Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a table or spreadsheet in Canva in 2026. So let us get started, guys. So as you can see, I'm inside that example column and row and table here. So what you want to do is, if you're in the editor in Canva, is navigate back to the home section by clicking into this button in the top left. You guys click into plus create in the top left and choose sheets, and then select that blank sheet here. So what you want to do, guys, is select a given cell, like, I don't know, B7, click into it and insert or add text to it. And you can do that with any other cell as well. Then you can, for example, left click into the given column or row and change its position, and do the same with the row, just like this. So use that handle here to the left click into the given row or column, and hold your left mouse and then move the row or column to its new position. What you want to do also, guys, is, for example, delete a column or row. To do that, right click into it and choose delete column. You can also hide a column, add more columns to the left or to the right, like this, and do the same with rows. Right click into it, for example that one here, and then choose add row or delete row. And that's it, guys. So you can fill your tables with content, use these cells, insert, for example, bulleted lists, numbered lists, use these text formatting tools, add borders, insert images, for example, from your Canva library here, and so on and so forth, guys. That's how you do it on Canva in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.